This small vibe.
See the way I dey jump. Energy.
Yeah.
If energy was a person,
I'm telling you.
And you know what happened? She just come out in time. She just sweep us, come up from the
from my
usual.
Now that shock value now I be once. Because everybody knows say Waje sabi sing. I don't get to prove any point. So now for this career, as I don't reach this stage, so now maybe we just enjoy ourselves.
Say no more, you have shocked me.
You try.
Say no
you
more.
too much. And as always, you can't feature again. It'll be small something.
No, Fowls, they're very talented and intelligent, talented person. You know, both of us now coach on The Voice. Like we do The Voice season 3 together.
Okay.
You know, so from that, now from there, now the talk starts. Say, we never walk. We're not gonna allow this our new friendship.
Make it just go like that. Nice one, nice collaboration.
Lovely.
Way to go.
Thank you.
So now we, 3 of us plus Waje go do the show
maybe
today.
the new host. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't welcome to my show. Better talk. This 3 the co-host. Now me now.
Now you get.
I go collect this one salary, this one salary, because you know Saturday Nigeria now. So make I upgrade my life. You get. So what do we talk about today?
So we want to talk about body enhancement. Why people they do body enhancement?
Why did they do it?
You enhance any part of your body?
I never.
Okay, you get plan. You not fit.
You dey plan.
You dey plan.
Okay.
On our weight now.
Now
You should wait. On our weight. No, we just rewind small. Okay. Start from Modupo Zola for 2001. You know, say that she first carried this matter on Nigeria. They say na she.
But I'm not sure say na she.
Me not believe say na she.
Because knowing the way we dey for this our country, we do Nigeria. We dey fast, we dey quick learn things. I just say for 1820, we go don discover one person we go dey do am.
Thank you. Now we go this video, check them out for this body enhancement. Remember, say 2017 as well. Tonto DK come out, say she don't do.
King Tonto, please.
You don't dare aside to
no, I just tell you, like you don't forget. She
okay,
forget say fight. It's your person.
Well done, So you know, say Tonto self come share video for her page. Say she self don't do surgery. So that the matter where they grant be that today. This body enhancement, this surgery to do body surgery. Why people they do them? And a man and woman. Now, because you just dey obsessed with yourself, or you dey do them for somebody, or you just want to do drama.
Like everything where they this life, people they do things for different reasons. You get people where they do them for themselves. Like person like me now, if I want to do them, not because of anybody, it will be because of me. Me that I don't already they talk and say I must reduce my you know that point 3 blind mice, then this one 2 blind mice. I go reduce them because they give me backache. Now person will go see me. Yes, so I get my own personal reason. So person will go see. I even get this yoga ball where they use every day to stretch. And sometimes you go to hear my spine, they do crack because
wait
yes.
What do you say you want to reduce?
My sister leave as I
you know they see
if I give you the measurement of this thing that you are saying here, this is a monstrosity.
At the same, you know what thing they surprise me? Say, people they do make them get your own time.
Now they tell the people say,
this life
when I hear say people they find them, I don't want to insult them because they don't know the wahala with days. I get one of my friend there where if you see her back
hips,
and her hips, it be like 2 people moto. She tell me say she they get waist pain sometimes. So sometimes when people go put they remember waiting, she tell me, they look there and say whether in 5 years, 10 years time, if the wahala go still there. But my own not just because usually my back, my posture they like this because I dey conscious. So I they always try to hide my chest. So because of that, over the years now, this, you know, I know they stand properly, so you don't affect my back. So I even get, I think with that way they wear to help you correct your posture. So I believe, say if I reduce them, I don't go send. And on top of that, I go come find extra because, you know, I will not be looking young. You know?
So waiting Waje they talk be say sometimes people they do body enhancement because they
health
get
reasons.
Yes,
for medical reasons.
Medical.
Self-conscious, you know, like people like me now, we not blessed with this one, but we dey go gym, they do like 50 squats every day
to carry
with prayer.
But they come outside, they walk so.
My son never know.
So you know what? You know what come up from here, put for that side.
I for no mind.
Okay.
I for no mind. But when I do, I will let you know. For now, it's not happening. But perhaps it may.
It could maybe.
Me and person they argue which day. I think yesterday. A bit today where I see this when we dey reason this topic. I can't tell the person say, to me I feel say na insecurity na they cause this thing. Una think say na insecurity they make person they go do body enhancement.
For Nigeria now, insecurity now be the make we understand your own insecurity.
No be that like
everything for Nigeria now.
No, say you know they're confident in your own skin.
But I go. Everything for Nigeria.
You don't first tell me say you go face me today. Don't face me so. I like you know they're comfortable in your own skin. You understand? Like for instance now me. I know say I know tall, okay? Like I tall small, like I be like 5', 6" or so.
Last boy, you not tall.
No, like you tall past me and Tifunke, I know they drag out.
Case closed. You tall.
And I guess some of my friends, when they always tell me say, see you, short girl. And my closest friend, she be 6'3", my closest friend from my office. So you need to see the both of us, even for inside market. And now they always they fight for her. So sometimes when people don't they tell me say, I know tall, I say, people don't they enhance body. Say I go enhance my height like this. Because now the only thing when me I do say sometimes they make me and my own defense.
You know the musician Bono, the international musician Bono. You know say they wear high heel. If he platforms, his shoe.
They high
down
because of height.
Yeah,
God will bless you.
So you have a solution. Yes.
Make I buy a Polar.
They're going to customize your shoe for you.
So now they talk say na lack of self-confidence. Now they make people go they do this kind of things. Go they enhance their body. Say you know they comfortable.
Me, for me, I don't care what you want to use your body do. You understand? I don't just care what you want to use your body do. Because you know also they bad say, okay, you see your body, you want to look better. No be bad thing.
I agree with you.
You understand? The only place where they get problem now when people don't go over and over and over and over.
Yes, when they don't they obsess.
Now that time they don't turn to obsession.
Yes.
But if you want to look good, you feel like, okay, my nose, okay, I feel do a little thing to take makeup because my nose actually they flat, you know.
So
but
you don't like
the one what they use. No, I like myself. Forget me, perfect. I did very, very perfect the way I be. But if I want to enhance myself, at least makeup what would they use? Now body enhancement.
Yes,
now body enhancement. I get long nose. People when they look me now, when they think I get long nose, I don't get long nose. Now enhancement, now the
Auntie Fuke, whether I like them or not.
Now face beat.
Nobody they beat. Nobody they beat anybody.
Excuse yourself.
Nobody they beat.
You they try excuse yourself.
But I like what you talk about. I like you say you know send waiting anybody they do waiting body. Because the truth about it is everybody get rights to a body to do waiting.
Finish.
And if you dey insecure and you feel say okay maybe if I come out the cellulite where they my side,
it will make me feel better.
I go there, no problem. But now that obsession of going back every time, you know, especially that hairline one where sometimes you go come, but now you go with the
you don't see men. But funny enough, men say they do their own.
On our wait. It be like saying now we dey enjoy this discussion. Pass when we allow on our for house join us for this matter. On our feed send us messages. On our feed even call self join mouth for this matter. Body enhancement. Wait, why people they do them? Now because you like yourself and you just want to feel fly, but you're already a butterfly, or
like me.
See rhymes. Or you can send us comments for our social media pages. You sabi now, Facebook, Twitter. If you get money, you go do them. Because some people go say, I don't feel done. Now because they not get the money. If you get money, you go do them. You go do body enhancement.
Because you know shit.
And if you go do them, which part of your body you go do? Or your joint matter.
Okay, don't forget what they talk about body enhancement. And this one, they cut across plenty things. Some people feel look there, then they do like this and see their teeth. They say, they want fix teeth.
You know one joke, if I say that Instagram my day, I can't see one post where one person say, say these days will not be only women again. Now they too concerned about their looks. Say when you reach house, woman go come out weak, come out even man say kuku they come out weak, come out everybody.
Oh, but that one that they surprise me. Solution don't there for bald men.
So if you dey listen to us now, you don't say you say you be mad and the hair for your head don't complete.
Enhance your body.
Enhance your hair.
No, you get one no they find very. They feel say na sexy
Which
look.
one?
Which
Now
one?
that pink lips.
That pink, no. That one
I don't
dey vex
understand.
me.
Say man go they put.
Especially for men.
Men go they begin
That
they
one
put
dey-
pink lips. Which one come
See,
be that
you know
one?
the ones where even they vex me pass now. Those ones they did for Balogun market where they said the thing go. I don't tell one
Say if you burn
Your lips. Yes, now because now
cancer.
even like say now your skin
I
they
don't even
peel
know
off.
what they mix. They'll say anti-pink lips. We now ask one day, say, I bet sorry, bro. So if I buy this thing, my lips go be like your own. He say yes. I
Okay, make una don't forget to follow us talk on top of all our. We are very social, so talk to us on top of all our social media. Them Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. You know, say we serve the stream live on YouTube at the moment. So if you get somebody where you want make you listen to us, we know day house. Just tell us, say make you search us on top YouTube for Wazobia Max TV, and you go watch us live from there. And follow us talk on top of all the phone numbers. Then we be say then they displayed on the screen there. You go follow us here and inside the studio here. We go make we hear from you. You get any part of your body where you they enhance,
where you dey plan
where
to
you want
if
do,
money, because persons
if
that
you
when
get
money enter your hand, forget to, you know, say girls you get money rich, so kind is go dey hungry you. It just like sometimes for if when we dey for office, go yes, person go say salary dey enter tomorrow, big man life done dey hungry.
You know, as big man life dey hungry us here. Make we just take time, but chikri break. When we come back,
Let's say we get call. Make we wait before we enter break. You don't cut.
Okay, make we enter that break. When we come back, we'll go take all of our calls. Them, don't go anywhere.
When I pioneered cosmetic surgery in West Africa in 2001, like you said, it put me out there in the news, both internationally and nationally, which meant my doors were open to every and anybody. What created the shift for me was on a certain day in 2003, 2 years into providing cosmetic and reconstructive surgery, but for paying clients at that time, was a couple came to my office, a man and his wife. The wife had obvious burns and lacerations, and she needed reconstructive surgery, but they couldn't afford it because reconstructive surgery is more expensive than cosmetic. It's having something that's damaged and having to fix it back. It takes a lot more time, more skill, and of course, more money. And they informed me they had made many appeals to people for funds to finance her surgery, but no success, which I didn't understand.
All right, so now welcome back. That video where you just see now, Madam Modupe Ozolu, and I be the person where don't talk since 2001. Say na she be the person where carry body enhancement matter enter Nigeria. We see they here they discuss. We they follow you there and you wait there for that place. If you get money, which one you go do? You go do, and which one you go do? You know, say they also tell us, say, now God, now He create you. I mean, especially Nigeria here where we be. They go say, now God, now He create you. Embrace yourself as you be. If you they try change anything, now be say they tell God, say, do and well. That one mean anything. You know all those kind of things.
I agree. Say now God.
Okay.
Everything we go create, He look at, He say good. But as you they grow, you can't unperfect her. Because either your diet don't make you now, your belly don't big, or the Aka Christian mother. God not create you with Aka Christian mother.
Oh my God, that one an issue.
My sister, all of us, you know. So now all these things, or you know, when you the age, you know, people don't rub SPF.
SPF,
people
yes.
still say 20 and 50 SPF now based on the intensity of the protection, now the number of minutes. So when you see 50 SPF, it means in 50 minutes. And if you expose your skin to sun
beyond 50
skin tag,
minutes.
then you go spa, you come out the skin tag for your face. So not be so God create you, my dear brother and
so
sister.
now be saying they even they do the work of God.
Now you know protect yourself from waiting God create. You unperfect the perfect.
So when you even do the enhancement, now you be say they also protect waiting God give you. You they take care of them.
Except they are obvious ones. So like the now it's not if it's flat, not be God.
Now they don't pinch and well.
Now when them born you, your mama not press.
They do it like this. Now that one baby enhancement too.
No, but you get one way that they do it, they go do the one for you.
Yes.
My mama
They'll still do one for you.
Then they put for
bomb too.
But that thing they work.
It they work.
And
Work
work
waiting. I say when I be baby, she tell me say she be one boss my cheek. Now so she dey do am.
You get coconut head now. No, man. You your coconut head plenty.
But I get the one for waist. That one when they do like this, it show for my waist.
Now still mama na do am for you.
She do am.
And then I follow us talk. Make we hear. Who did there? Hello. 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 Off your TV. Chai.
See,
Okay, I be like say we go cut that call. Make call us back, and when you call abeg, try make you the moment when we pick your call, just off your television.
Not be say you go come. I hear. You are so.
After you talk to us, finish you on and back now.
Just reduce the volume.
Because I want hear wetin we want talk. All of us 1 year. He call the TV no congre.
Before we
make it off am on and back after he don't talk to us finish.
Before we continue, I get one post for you where I want read for us, and this one now Dango at Fitness. Now he talk this one. It all say you don't need 6 packs, so you just get your body in shape where just to provide to prevent diseases. So you don't really need to do bugu second say na gym na so the iron they make noise.
When you go gym last?
When
you go gym
last? I gym for my house.
You go just know when they go.
You know what happen? I think I agree with you. I don't see anybody wey gym inside the mind pass me. If I sit down like this, if I look my belly, I don't begin gym. I go sit down, but I go gym.
On our way to, you get one thing when I the reason. You know, say with the talk hands with the reason. Now be say if you pierce your nose,
enhancement. If you tattoo your body like enhancement.
This one where they your
did they enhance
you enhance
so now so you're a culprit.
You know say she don't agree. She don't agree say she enhance her body.
You have been enhanced.
But you even know say if you bleaching your skin.
We have a caller. We have a caller from Ibadan. Hello, caller.
Hello. Don't be shy. No hide your voice from us. Hello.
Hello.
Now you are talking. How you doing?
Yeah, this is Miola. I'm calling from Ibadan.
You're welcome.
Okay, welcome.
All right. You know, what I want to say about the enhancement is, like me, I'm not a body weight person. You understand? I'm not a body weight person, and like my auntie said, Waje, like she, her own, give her back pain. Me, I don't have the one that will give me back pain.
Okay.
So I'm trying to enhance it.
I feel you, my
giving me the
sister.
back pain, but to make me keep, fit. That she put on any clothes, it will look good on me. So I support looking good, enhancement for looking good, not any other thing.
Okay,
my sister.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Miola. If you can't do finish now, can't look your chest.
Chere, on a chere cambia. If you have money, you go do am. Nini don't talk say she go do am so that she can be beautiful.
When she wear clothes, she go do good.
She go fine. If why are they chest out?
Now my influence.
So if you get money, you go do body enhancement. I bet that because you not get money, now they make you the
I don't feel talking about what I go do.
You know, insecurity now.
Let me not also forget, say, some of these enhancements, they get their own downside.
Yes.
You get some way, they say, then people don't die plenty. When they do.
Because people know they. So, you see anything about health, they very important. So, if you now, you see, you know this thing when Nigerians, they always feel, say, okay, when it comes to cars, may we spend money. When it comes to house, may we spend money. When it comes to Gucci and Prada, may we floss. But when we come to our head, may we go backyard. That be the problem, because you get people where they do body enhancement, but they are expensive.
Yeah.
So go to the right one. May they ask you because they go do consultation. See me, I don't talk like hey. I bet all of them wanna go endorse me. You never know. You know, they go do consultation, check
Mama
if you get people.
It be like say Mama Osas dey for our line.
Okay.
Hola. Mama Osas.
Mama Osasi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, I know the two year on the two.
Go ahead, we hear you.
They hear me?
Yes.
Very well.
Okay, now well done. I know they hear my man, you drop my point. This enhancement, I for last time, but if you hear what they talk, make me come this year. So when you don't start them, you will to maintain and not be here. If not, this my chair bomb now for review. But I don't want to start to do. Start making a long finish. So that at the end now, for they go up to every year, once a year, twice a year, they go mistake. I not do. Leave her like that.
Now we they convince yourself.
Which side you want reduce?
It be like say one add the bomb.
He say one add their bomb.
Okay, she want add.
So she dey fear that
But she don't hear
leg
that
pain now. You know, say the reason why I also feel say some people they go over and over again. I say maybe they don't go the first one. Because even the professionals where they talk about, we don't see plenty of them. Where we they see their needs for Instagram. Where we say something will still happen. Not be one talk say something they come out from in bomb like this thing.
You know, say now this kind body
don't reduce her own too.
You don't reduce.
So come the big one way before.
Come put the
small
normal one.
The thing be say man no they ever satisfy. What if you can't go do now? You can't realize say it be like say I no can't like as it take okay, sorry. I dey touch
you
things.
Know, say this
because sometimes
it not be like this one. This one are fat. So if you not maintain them, it go still increase again.
Waje, you sabi say the people when they do dig it, you know?
Which one be dig it? Which one be dig it?
Now dig. Now sometimes you go job when they do.
I don't confuse you, but this So what's happening?
Okay, I be one say when they do and finish, you go no come balance. You go come, they'll come still go again. You know, still balance.
They I know balance. One day big pass one big day.
But make we balance for studio. Come us go break. We go come back soon.
All right, when I welcome back, we still there here. They discuss different things. Them on top of this issue where we did talk about, and we get some polls. Of course, last born. Arrange yourself to take the polls. Then where we put out on top social media.
Yes, so you know, say this is not better talk, and we don't put some better polls on top social media. Like this lady say, I won't read them for you, make you see what we put for there. This one say, why you not think say women they do body enhancement? 43% talk say na because of man, 14% say na body shaming, and another 43% talk say na them sabi. And then we still put another one up on top of Twitter. This one say, if you get money, which part of your body go enhance? 50% say bum, 50% say face. I bet where for the face they want touch.
Where
Where for the face they want touch. And then on top Instagram we still put some so there. This one say why una think say women they do body enhancement, and then 58% talk say now because of self-confidence, and then 25% say body shaming. Body shaming they very, very, very serious, because in fact now why I talk that insecurity, because they body shame you, that's why you now feel insecure.
Sometimes people they body shame themselves, even when people never body shame them.
Actually, yes.
Because you get somebody where go get that same thing where you get. By the time where you carry himself, you know go no say na like that today.
I don't know why people they body shame, because first of all, not be you create yourself. You know what I like South Africans for? That time when I live for South Africa, oh boy, no matter how they beef, you see as they carry themselves.
Come on,
50-50 should have passed.
Come on.
Are you there? Now there I learn how person, you know, supposed to carry no matter how your face be, how your whether na K leg or na L leg, they carry themselves like this. This will come rearrange.
Everybody shall get something where they special about them.
But you get what I don't really understand there.
Okay, hello.
Oh,
we don't lose that.
Okay, so you get what I don't really understand there. You know, say you get some kind of people where be say they don't really talk about this body enhancement matter. They don't drag some people go up. Example, Blessing CEO. She don't talk say
That's what she talk.
That's the summary. Because it is when she talk plenty. The summary now like, but she don't talk against body enhancement. And on Monday, she come outside, come put on top of her social media, say she's in the process of a lipo something. Yes.
Sometimes they wonder whether some of these things are true too. Because if you sell, well, we know they deal with them now. She feels decide she sell somebody. Somebody feed on it and say, okay, it go dey controversial if we can't hear say last she can't go do something.
But that thing we show just now, Blessing not get that bumble before.
You not get that bumble before.
You don't.
Something don't add.
Say am now.
For this Nigeria, now she do
drum. But you know, say now that they get non-invasive surgery. So for those people who don't want to cut their body.
Okay. That English big. Which one be non-invasive?
The one where they no go shook pin for your body.
Okay.
Or where they go shook pin, but they no go use knife.
So
like all those fat bones, like you know this fat side here where bra they always hair.
You get
shook injection there. You go burn the fat with they do it for belly too.
Hey.
Yes. Then even bomb self, but be like say that one.
Why you they do like this?
Did they lift her up now?
You don't be your
I feel like you know what happened.
You are influencing me. Even communication cannot be
you know say they feel like say in the next 10 to 20 years, plenty health issues go there.
Of course.
It's not the day now.
I get definitely 23 years.
We get phone call. We get phone call.
Holas.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah, welcome. Talk to us. We dey hear you. You see, if I say make you off TV now, you will say, hello, we dey hear you.
Okay. Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening.
How are they?
We full ground remain. You get 30 seconds.
Okay, what you mean I want to talk about this thing now? They should also discuss about the maintenance.
That one safe. True.
And now plenty for your 16.
We dey hear you. Go ahead.
We dey hear you.
Hey.
Okay, she don't.
All right, thank you very much. Wow. You've made your point. You say make them talk about maintenance.
But why I'll go do something where I'll go they use big money they maintain?
No, you don't need big money to maintain. But if you know sabi work out, no bother.
Yeah. Because you need workout also.
Nah.
I bet man they go to the gym for my mind.
Me and you today.
Make I understand what's they happen. You mean say you go spend money,
go lift
for there.
Do this side.
You go work out now. Finish. You go still dey work out.
Yes, now because you transfer fat. So all the places where you not transfer fat put fat, the real fat go come
Come outside.
Bonjour inside. So you get to attack it so that you will continue to be slender.
Problem no dey finish.
Wait, which means say if person go do not be liposuction, they call the one you go come out the fat. You can still go there eat akpu and eba.
No, but so if I do no fit akpu and eba.
No, you go eat, but you dey more healthy, so you get healthy options. Then they work out.
Anything that wants to keep me away from my
I know they like. I know they like pain. I cannot imagine myself. You know those people where they see for inside plane where they like this that time. Where they don't feel. I cannot put myself in that situation. It's not a situation I want to find myself in.
Exactly. I go for plane seat. Come kneel down. Come back.
I know that right now, boss. I'm not doing it. But perhaps a day will come.
Could maybe
that you're gonna done it.
Thank you. Say you waka enter inside studio today.
You're such a vibe.
Maybe you go come again next time.
Which one will come again next time? When be? I don't want to
employ
me now.
Sorry, now your show.
I don't know my saliva. I don't finish. Now they say, can you be?
I apologize. It's your show. So yeah, we would like to see you. We would like to keep seeing you here.
Tomorrow we go come.
Feel at home, but don't spoil remote.
I'm not gonna spoil remote. Not worry. So we are here back here tomorrow, Abi.
No,
we are back here on Monday.
Make we enter is sweet our belly. Make we see what we keep for now.
Okay, these students.
We have never taken any practical. See, biology, physics, chemistry, no practical. Nothing. You be standing. How will you even listen to the lectures that they listen? You never understand even what to copy us. Some people can even stand and copy us.
You see, these ones, I believe say this our generation and these ones where they come, everybody done the open eye. And they talk them every time, say, until we start to hold people responsible. Things and make we stop to say live and for God.
Things no go change.
Things no go change.
You sabi say then expel 6 of those students, sha.
But it's not supposed to be like that.
Why they go expel
so
them
justice for the 6 students where they expel because they need to come back. Then they talk. Then they fight for their rights.
They get science lab when not get
when
anything
no they
inside.
functional
and they be science students.
Oh, if you start to talk this kind of matter,
and then is your chemical.
And then you go come they wonder why we no fit produce pencil.
Do you understand?
With all the wind way they for inside Nigeria.
Better women. For better talk. Now so we go end that today. It be us like make we continue, but we got to stop. We must thank our guest co-host. Waje.
Our host, the owner of the show.
Baby, you got me.
We got you.
Okay.
On that note,
again voice small.
On that note, we thank Una son join us today. We go come back with him on Monday next week. Join us again.
Cody the coordinator, just like that. Cody for short. Thank you very much.
I am Sayene, the last bond.
Yes. She is.
Waje, see you
Waje, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Treasure. See you on Monday.
You're the only one.